Hi there, my name is Mark Yerrico Paulson. I'm the practice lead for Deep Collaboration at Collaboration for Impact. And I'd like to invite you to be part of the DC Fundamentals, the Deep Collaboration Fundamentals, which is an introduction to the concepts and ideas for facilitation and leadership of deep collaboration. And that is the collaboration space between First Nations and other Australians. I'll be one of the facilitators for this program, and I'm excited to also be joined by Eula, and I'd like to invite her to introduce herself as well. Thanks, Eula.
Thanks, Mark. Hi, everyone. My name's Eula Rowan, and I'm super excited to be co-facilitating with Mark on this program. The program really is aimed at giving you value around how you can actually take these initiatives that you're working with and apply the new learning that you have. We aim to bring some really live examples into the workshop so that you can see how you can actually apply this in your own work and your practice.
So we're really going to be focused on how we can identify the patterns around us, start to identify the power, start to identify the conditions that are required for us to do this deep collaboration work. But it's really important because it'll be applied to your context. And so we hope that you'll be able to join us. We look forward to be able to work with you, and hopefully then you can further your learning through our other programs in the public learning program as well at Collaboration for Impact. For any further details, please go to our website at deepcollaboration.org or collaborationforimpact.com. Thank you.